Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the Fletcher Kane skin. This one's going to be based on the spray. So at the top we're going to do the ears, go into the mouth, the back there, and sort of the upper torso here. So I'm going to go up here. It's quite a cool stylized picture, this one. So I'm going to go just put a little dot there. Okay. Now what I can do with that one is just draw the ears. So I'm just going to take my pen, just go up to the top. It doesn't have to be straight. Come back down this way, the other side of that ear, and down to the back of the head there. Going up this way, we can just go straight up this way, nice little sort of curvy, wavy line like that. Bring your pen back round like this, okay? You've got those two ears there now. Let's go and continue with the brow. So, I'm gonna come outwards this way, bring my pen down, come out a bit more where the eyebrow is, and down like that. Then I'm gonna just put a little sort of menacing brow area there, just at an angle. Just going to do the other side here. It sort of comes down this way, nice sort of menacing brow again. Bring it down, then we can come up and down like that. So we've got that sort of idea now that we've got the brows in there. We'll go back in and do the eyes in a minute. Let's continue with the outer. Just going to draw a little line there. What I'm going to do is just do the nose of Fletcher Kane. So we're going to come outwards again. Doesn't have to be super straight or anything. Go right up to this point here, and then we're going to come down this way. Just bring it out a little bit there where the jaw is. Going to come down a little bit, and then I'm going to go back up this way, like this, and then bring your pen out with a bit of fur around there, right? I'm just going to put the nose in, I think. Just help it look a bit more like Fletcher Kane. So I'm just going to bring the line along here. So go to a little triangular element there. Just going to colour that in. Maybe leave a little bit of light in the middle where it might be reflecting. And then what I can do is I'm just going to draw a nice line down here, and then I'm going to just do a little bit up there, and then around here is where the mouth is. So it's got a little sneaky sort of smile. It caps off down there, so it looks like a little bit more serious. Okay, let's continue with the outer. So here, just under the jaw, I'm going to come down sort of that neck area, and then it kind of ties in with the cape. So it's going to wiggle the pen around a little bit there for a little bit of fur, and then come down this way where the cape is. Then can just return on that one, back up this way. Let's do the outer head here and the cape on this side, so we're kind of rounding the body off. So the head's there, we've got some nice bits of fur coming out, so you can bring your pen in and out here. And then it kind of goes into the cape area, so we've got that fur on the cape, so I can just bring the pen down, just slightly erratic with the pen so it looks a little bit like fur, and then we can just taper it off about here. Now, what I will do is just draw the outer part of the inner part of that cape, sorry. So about here, I think there's a little bit of fur, and then it comes around this way, and then again we can just draw a few little bits coming out where the fur is, and then bring it down, so we'll taper it down to here, taper it out there. Okay, so we've got that cape area there. Now on this side I've got the sort of suit jacket. The arm goes down this way, so just gonna give a hint of that arm. Just come down nicely this way, come out where it kind of creases in, and then just sort of taper it off down there. On this side, the arm sort of finishes here, but the inner part probably the inner part of the arm is probably around here. Just going to draw a little bit of a edge of that jacket, like that, sort of the creases. And then I'm going to bring my pen down there where the arm is. And I'm going to come in this way, sort of cut in, probably about there. Just curve it in there where his body is. And then in this side, I've got the arm there, so the inner part, sort of the chest and the torso is around here. So grab your pen, bring it in and down like that, sweep it down. So we've got that nice outer part of Fletcher Kane going on now. Let's just add a little bit more detail to him. So let's go back up to the top. I'm just going to draw the inner parts of the ears. So nice little hint of the inner parts of the ears here. A few little dashes for where the fur is. Kind of up here, so we've got the outer part and then the inner part of the ear again. So just sort of fill it in, sort of a little bit triangular there. Go to where the brow area is. There's a few more little sort of creased areas in there. And we can draw a little bit more sort of the upper part of the brow. So we can swing it up there and swing it up again. Just adds that nice little extra to the detail. Let's go in and put an eye in. So just underneath this brow area, I'm going to bring the pen out and down, sort of quite thickly marked. Then I'm going to come down and around like that, just draw a nice little dot in the eye there. So it looks pretty mean. Maybe just sticking out that brow, making it look a little bit more menacing. And the other part of the eye is around this eye as well, so just going to give a hint of that there. Kind of then we can just sort of draw a little line down here, sort of kick it back up so it looks like nice and menacing. And just pop a few little detail lines around there, or where the fur is. See, it starts adding a load of detail and looking really cool. Just around here we've got his fur sort of popping out, so really around here, just sort of kick out your pen. A few little lines just to show it's kind of kicking out and around, all around this area here. Sort of comes down into here, back up there and around. And then again we can sort of draw a few little marks, just a few little lines and things like that, just make a big difference. On this side, similar sort of thing, a couple of lines here and there, just give an idea that it's got fur. And then we can do the same actually with this cape there. There's a little bit of kick out again where we've got sort of like where it comes around, so just sort of bring it down there and then just draw a few little lines in so it kind of shows it's textured. There we go, just draw a couple on there as well on that other side, so we've got that nice sort of wolfy look. Okay, in the centre here has got a couple of chains around his chest. Now one here's got sort of like a fang or a nail, so I'm just going to, probably about here, just draw the top of that, nice little curve in, and then just bring a little curve down and back up. A couple of lines in there, and then I'm going to draw that going in, so that kind of come in this way, and up this way as well. It's got that chain area. It's just one above it at the top as well, so I'm going to sweep in, just draw a nice rounded chain just above that. You don't have to do the whole of it, you can just give a hint that it's there. Just on this side there's two little areas sort of holding the jacket together, so it's almost like a little crescent, so like a backward C. Join it up, probably over there about here. Draw a little C that's angled, and then again just draw a little looped area like that. Okay, now I've got those in, I can get that jacket in, so probably starts from about here, kick it up this way to that point there, then it kind of continues up to here to where the collar is, and then that collar probably follows around here to the cape area. It's a nice little collar area here, so it comes out, sort of kicks down that way, kicks down that way from here. Maybe we'll just draw a little piped area along that, taper it in. Then on this side it will come up that way there to that point. Bring your pen up, and there's actually probably a bit of fur coming out around here. And then the collar area again sort of kicks out into and around here, so just bring that out there. I think it actually goes into that point there. And then we can just cap that off along here. Cool, okay. A couple of little sort of motif, little elements to the pattern on the shirt, so I'm just going to give a hint of that. Just wiggle the pen around a little bit here, round and in and out. Around here it's almost like quite stylized, almost like smoke kind of pattern, I suppose. So just a little hint of that either side, just little bits, just adds to that overall detail. Now up here there's a little bit more for his sort of wolfy sort of chin and neck, so I'm just going to draw some more little wolfy little curves in there like that, so we've got that nice sort of wolfy texture. And then down here there's also just a little bit of texture for sort of pattern on his shirt, so I'm just going to give a nice little hint of that. Again, just a couple of little almost dashes going in, makes a big difference to the picture. Just adds that little bit of detail, sort of curls around here. Again, you don't have to be too much on the script of how it goes, it just adds a nice little bit to centralise your picture. Now this part of the jacket comes down here, goes a bit further down here, sort of tapers down there. There's a little button about here, probably a couple of little creases, another little button here, and another one here. And we can just draw in a few little crease areas around there, a few little creased areas in and around here. Then what I might do is just add a few little points where it's a little bit sort of shaded. So I'm just gonna just block in a few bits, fill it in a little bit with the pen. It'd be quite nice now, just to fill a few areas, like under the arms here, kind of under there. Just block in a few bits, just be quite loose. The way you're drawing, it just adds a nice dimension to our picture. Maybe there's a bit going on under there, just adds a little bit more under that area there, especially when we've got that nose pointing up here. Maybe under there as well, there's just a little bit of a hint. It's a little bit darker. Same goes under here. Maybe we'll just like hatch a couple of those points like that. Maybe here as well, maybe we can just hatch in a couple of those points like that. And then it maybe just a little bit of a couple of little lines make a big difference on here. Then what I might do is just go around the outside there. This one is a little bit more blocked in actually. Let's go and get a chunkier pen and actually just go around the outside with this with a bit of a chunky pen. Just on this side, it's almost like a little shadow. So I'm just gonna block in with a chisel tip. Just cut in to all those little areas we've done, just on this left-hand side. Around there, it kind of comes up this way. And as it comes up around here, it sort of widens out a bit. It's almost like a little shadow. So another little bit where the ears come up, comes out and around there. Cool, that looks good. What I'll do is just add a few more lines to the major parts of the picture. So the cape area, that can be a bit thicker. So these points here. Going around there, that's kind of taking care of itself. Maybe as we work up this way, just block in. There we go. Maybe just around here, just sort of accentuate the brow area down here and here. Maybe the mouth area too. There we go. There we have it. That is Fletcher Kane from Fortnite Lawless. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else to draw next, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye for now.